Hi everyone! Are you ready to level up your SQL skills? Today, I'm going to show you two ways to practice SQL. There is one I use for work and the other one I use for training students. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Jay, and I've been a data analyst for more than 7 years. Let's dive in. First is Mode by Mode Analytics. This is the one I use for training students. It is a web-based SQL editor, so no need to install anything in your laptops. You just need a working email. I used my Google account here. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Mode and click the link provided to verify your account. Then provide the necessary details. To create your workspace, you can put in any name as long as it is available. You can see it here if it is available and then click create. As you can see, Mode can connect to different relational database management systems, but for this video, we will use the sample data from Mode. Once logged in, navigate to the SQL editor in the top right corner. Here you can start writing and executing SQL queries. Mode provides sample databases to practice with. Use this to write and test your SQL queries. Next is DBeaver. This is the one I use for work. I've been using this SQL editor for 6 years now to query data. As you can see, it supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, and many more. Go to DBeaver community and click on the download button. Choose the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the installation instructions on the screen to complete the setup. After the installation, open DBeaver from your applications menu. To access the sample database, go to Help and then click Create Sample Database. Once connected, open a new SQL editor window. Write and execute your SQL queries. And that's it. Two easy ways to practice SQL. Happy querying! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time!